today's video, I want to share you how to make this crystal beaded bracelet. So let's start. So our materials are 4mm of rondel beads. You can use one color, and chain or ring, Miyuki 11O gold seed beads, and beading nylon thread, size 0.175mm. And we also use beading needle and lobster clasp. So let's start. We'll cut the thread about 120 centimeter. And then insert into the needle. And we will pick 8 11O gold seed beads. We will make a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we will pick the ring. I will pass it again. Pass the needle again to make it more tough. And knot them. So I will pass the needle to these two next 11O seed beads. We will cut the tail thread because we don't need them. And then pick 4 11O gold seed beads and 1 turquoise crystal beads and 2 11O gold seed beads. We are exiting here to these 11O gold seed beads, and we will back to these 2 11O gold seed beads again, like this. And I will hold it like this, and then we are exiting here to these 11O gold seed beads, and I will pass the needle to these 4 11O gold seed beads, like this. And then we will pick again 4 11O gold seed beads, and I will pick this pink crystal and 2 11O gold seed beads. And you are exiting here, and I will back to these 2 11O gold seed beads. Like this. And I will flip it over. We are exiting here to these 11O gold seed beads, and I will pass the needle to these 4 11O gold seed beads, like this. You can hold it whatever you are easier to hold it, and I will hold it like this. And I will pick 4 11O gold seed beads and 1 turquoise crystal and 2 11O gold seed beads. We're exiting here, and I will go back to these two 11-0 gold seed beads. Pull it through like this, and then flip it over, and we are exiting here. And then I will pass the needle to this 4-11-0 up to this side like this. I will do it once more again, and I will pick 1, 2, 3, 4 11-0 gold seed beads, and the next is I will pick the pink crystal beads and 2 11-0 gold seed beads. We are exiting here, this thread, working thread, we are exiting here, and I will go back to this 2 11-0 gold seed beads like this, and I will pull the thread. Oh my god, what's wrong? I will pull the thread. I think this is okay. What's going on? Okay. Now I'll pull the thread. So I will make it once again. So we are exiting here, and I will pick 4 11-0 gold seed beads and 1 pink crystal and 2 11-0 gold seed beads. We will go back to this 2 11-0 gold seed beads like this, and then we will pull the thread gently like this. And now we are exiting here to these 2, and I will hold it like this, and I will pass the needle to these 4 11-0 gold seed beads. So we made some trouble, that's why I want to make it once more to understand you much better. We will pick 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 11-0 gold seed beads and 1 turquoise and 2 11-0 gold seed beads. So we are exiting here to this 11-0 gold seed beads, and we will go back to these 2 11-0 gold seed beads. So I'll pull the thread, and I will hold it like this, and I will pass the needle to these 4 11-0 gold seed beads. So like this. So we will make this bracelet until we reach my needed length. So I'll be back. About 17 centimeter. I think this is fit to my brace. So I will make the loop beads, and I will pick two 11 gold seed beads and clasp, and four 11 gold seed beads. So we're exiting here to this 11 gold seed beads. Now back to these two 11 gold seed beads, like this. Pull the thread, and I will reinforce them. Reinforce them, and I will knot them. Cut the thread, and done. So this is our bracelet for today. I hope you like it, and if you want my design, please don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Oh my god, cute. Thank you. Bye. This video, I want to share how to make this beaded this. Today's video, I want to